In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use an easy bot. Yes, it's going to be AI intelligence, right? It's going to be a bot that it's actually 100% free, but it's going to be doing 90% of the work. I know I'm going back and forth, but anyways, you need to watch this video because you're going to be like, wow, actually, I was not aware that I could earn money just by using this 100% free and 100% easy, and it doesn't matter where you guys are from. I'm 100% sure that you're gonna be like, wow, this is mind-blowing. I better start watching Diana's videos right now. Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, or I was trying to mention before, I'm gonna be showing you a full step-by-step tutorial in which you're gonna be using AI. Yeah, AI, this is 100% free bot that is going to be helping you earn money online. So keep watching this because I'm going to show you everything step by step. And at the end of the video, guys, I'm going to show you another way in which you can earn more money online. So this is like a bundle. So you're going to have two ways of how you can earn money just in one video. So now let me show you everything step by step. Okay, first of all, this is something worldwide. This is 100% free. Okay, you need to put the time if you really want to earn money with this. The first thing that we're going to be using is the AI tool that it's called Anywhere. Okay, I'm going to leave a link below so you can start using this for free. Okay, there is no monthly fee if you decide to go with the link that I'm going to be sharing with you. It's going to be the very first link below. Okay, AI or Anywhere is an AI tool that is going to be helping us create content. Okay, you can put it on ads, blog posts, emails, SMS. Okay, and it has really good reviews. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can use it really fast, really easy, really simple, and how you can start earning money with this as soon as today. Okay, you need to click here where it says start for free. It's going to ask you for a valid email address. It's going to confirm your email address. Super easy, super simple, and then you're going to be able to log in an area like that looks like this one, which this is actually my back office. Okay, so it shows you how it works. It shows you your recent documents. By the time you're doing this, chances are that you don't have it. And you can also join the Facebook group. I strongly suggest you to go with the Facebook group. The community is really amazing. Here they do have the support and everything. So which are the things that you can do with Anywhere? Okay, I'm going to show you one way in which you can actually earn money with this, but I'm going to show you what you can do with this so you are going to be like, wow, there is a lot of potential here. So if I go and click here where it says data driven editor, and you're going to see all use cases, you're going to see that you can create Facebook ad text, okay, headlines, Google search ads. Okay, you can create Twitter ads, LinkedIn ads, Pinterest ad, headlines, subheaders, call to action, features, benefits, Instagram captions, YouTube descriptions, email subjects, promotional emails, cold emails, SMS, and a lot of things here. Okay, so this is for you guys to have an idea like which are the things that you can actually create with Anywhere. Remember, there's going to be a link below so you can create your account 100% for free. But we're going to be using the blog wizard. Okay, we're not going to be actually creating a blog, or we're going to be using the blog wizard. We're going to click here where it says new blog post. Okay, let me show you everything step by step so you can have a better idea of how we're going to be earning with this. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so now we're going to be creating like a resource. Okay, but we're not going to be giving away this resource. And let me show you everything. Okay, so here, for example, describe the blog post you want to create. Actually, it's not a blog post, but I want to create something. So let's say that it's going to be about how to make money online with YouTube. Okay, let me spell it correctly. Okay, here with YouTube. Okay, topic or industry. Let's say that it's going to be with online education. Okay, I'm gonna click here where it says next. Boom. It's actually generating or giving some titles. Okay, it says like the top 10 ways to make money on YouTube, 10 ways to make money on YouTube, looking to make an extra cash, why not giving YouTube a try? You're gonna surprise. 5 ways to make money on YouTube, how to make money with YouTube. Okay, one thing that I suggest you guys is to try to use numbers. Okay, for example, this one, top 10, 10, 5. People love lists. Okay, if you are not getting these kind of titles and you want to have something extra, you can click here where it says generate more. Okay, so it's gonna be giving me more options of titles. So okay, how to make money with YouTube, the ultimate guide, make money on YouTube 6 steps. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna click here where it says next. Now it's actually doing like the outlines. Okay, it's doing the outlines, the sections that I want. If you want, you can create more. You can add or click here where it says add another section. I'm gonna leave this. And again, if you don't like this, you can click here where it says generate again. So I'm gonna click next. I'm okay with these sections. Now I need the paragraph. Okay, I need the information. Okay, so now, okay, I'm gonna be importing all the paragraph and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna click here where it says continue to editor. Okay, here is like a quick explanation. I'm gonna be generating everything that I need. Okay, this is what I actually need. Okay, I need to generate all of them. If you want to put some keywords, if you want to put some kind of instructions, that's okay. But trust me, this AI tool is actually really amazing. So you don't need to have something else. Okay, trust me, you don't need to have something else. If you decide like, okay, this is way too much, I want to delete this, you can click here and you can delete the section. Okay, so trust me. Okay, if you want to rewrite the content, you can rephrase it. Okay, and here I already created like all the sections for for my tool. Okay, I already created all the sections for my tool. Now I'm gonna continue editing it. Okay, you're gonna scroll all the way to the top and you're gonna click here where it says copy blog post to clipboard. Okay, boom. So it's actually copying 533 words. Okay, now what we're gonna do, you're gonna go to google.com and you're gonna Google Docs. Okay, why we're gonna be doing this? Because we need to place this information. Okay, so I already edited it. You can actually format it if you want. You can make this bigger, make this bold. Okay, change the fonts, change the color, and I'm gonna show you just a little bit of what are we gonna be doing. Okay, so we already have the information, but we need something else. We need something or a way in which we can monetize it. I'm going to show you 2 ways in a second. Okay, the first one is by using affiliate marketing. Okay, in my case, I'm going to be using ClickBank. If you're in your region for whatever reason you cannot use ClickBank, you can also go to JVSU, Warrior Plus, DStore24, and there are other affiliate offers. Okay, in which that you can join, that they can be outside of an marketplace, but I decided to go with ClickBank. And okay, I'm gonna type here, for example, YouTube, because that's my main topic. Okay, it's gonna be about YouTube, and I'm gonna click here where it says gravity. Okay, so I can see like, okay, what actually people are getting, what they're offering. Actually, these offer, to be honest guys, this one converts really well. By the time recording this video, I started promoting like a week ago. I'm getting really good results. They provide you everything that you need, like the swipes and everything here on the affiliate page, and the conversion is $33 with 1 cent. They also have recurring, so that's a good one. Okay, so for example, we have here turn text to speech, the vertical jump training. Okay, so we have the conversion bot. Okay, we have other tools here, analytic Robin. Okay, so let me go with keyword relevance. Okay, so I have this one that is brand new. I won't go with that one because I really don't know how it actually performed. Okay, we have this one from Ty Lopez. It's actually good. The thumbnail blazer. This is another one that is actually really good. AI video creator. We have also, well, this one, BitBullet. The convention is actually really great. But let's say that we are gonna go. Let's see what we have on the refresh. Okay, let's say that we're gonna go with the video marketing. Oh no, this one is in talent. Okay, so we're gonna go with this one. Video marketing blaster, ranked #1 on page on Google and YouTube. Okay, so we're gonna go with this one. This is one that I already know. Okay, so with the 3 clicks, you're gonna be ranking on Google and you're gonna be ranking on YouTube. So people are gonna be really interested if they want to monetize. So you will need to click here where it says promote. You will need to create your HubSpot and you're gonna copy this link. Okay, and you need to have a call to action, something like click here to learn more about YouTube monetization. Okay, this is something that I just made up, but we can create something better. Monetization. Okay, so this is a cool thing that I like about Google Doc is that we can highlight it, I can paste it, I can apply it, and boom, I have it. So what else we need to do? We need to download this as a PDF. Okay, so we are gonna go here where it says file, and you will need to download it. So we're gonna click here where it says download, and we will need to download this as a PDF. Okay, we need to download this as a PDF. So that means that people are not going to be able to edit this, and people are also going to have the option, because that's something that the PDF give us, to click. Okay, to click here. So now we need to promote this. Okay, we need to promote this. In this video, we are not going to be creating a landing page or a website in which you are going to be selling this. We are going to be using a tool. Okay, this tool, it's called Gumroad. Okay, so you're gonna go to gumroad.com and you can start selling products here for free. Okay, you can click here where it says start selling, and you're gonna notice that there are several things that you can actually sell here, like animation, audios, business, and things about related to money making, drawing, filming. You get it. There is a lot of things here. So you're gonna click here where it says start selling. It's gonna ask you like, okay, what's your name, valid email address, what username would you like to do, where you're from. Okay, so as soon as you create your account, okay, you're gonna land here. Okay, you need to click here where it says products. Okay, here on the left where it says products, and we are gonna be creating a new product. Okay, we're going to be creating a new product. Okay, in my case, my product is going to be an ebook. Okay, this product is going to be an ebook. It's going to be my YouTube guide. Okay, or I can actually use the text here, make money online, 66 steps. Okay, what's the price? You can put the price. I actually want a lot of people to purchase it, so I'm gonna put it for just for $1. Okay, you can customize your profile. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna click here where it says next. Okay, and it's gonna ask me more information about this, like, okay, do you have a cover? Okay, I don't have a cover, but you can go to canva.com and you can create an amazing cover here. Okay, you can create an amazing cover here, and it's gonna ask me, like, again, a description. I can actually use this in the description. Okay, this is, we are using something that we already created. okay, is asking me the URL. I'm gonna put the URL. Is asking me, okay, do you have a cover? Upload it here. Okay, the thumbnail, you can do all of this. Okay, the call to action for my product, it can be buy this, I want this, I'm gonna go with I want this. Okay, I can actually add more prices. This is one. I really gonna leave it as it is. Okay, if you have like a cover image, you can put it here for the actual ebook. This is how it's actually gonna be looking like. Okay, and here also you're gonna have your checkout. If you want, you can put like a discount code, like payment, and all this stuff. And when you are ready, you are just gonna click here where it says publish. Okay, this is actually a test book or a book that I'm creating for the tutorial, so I'm not gonna publish it. But as you can see, that's an easy way in which you guys can earn money online. Okay, the money is not here on Gumroad. To be honest, the money is not here on Gumroad because you're not gonna be, getting decent money just by selling an item for $1. The actual money is here on the PDF. When the people read it and they decide to go ahead and click. Okay, they decide to go ahead and click, so they're gonna land on the product page, and they are gonna be able to purchase it. So that's where the money it's actually is. So I hope you guys enjoy this content. Remember what I told you at the beginning, that there's going to be another way in which you can earn money online. So that's going to be the very first link in the description. If you are interested in learning what's my number one way to make money online, so you can start making money while you travel, while you sleep, and you actually might be ready to fire your boss, that's going to be the very first link in the description. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, this means a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.